you taste the kuan, the unod. Really, it's kuan, the smell. The taste is very old. Sunga-sunga. So for today's video, magpaspas ra tanan kay kuan man kanang magluto ra tawag kuan ginataan nga kuan kanang dubok na dubok na kuan kanang si tawag ani. Abnormal mo gani akong kauban gud kay Ginoo ko nang sana bento na iyahang kuan o kanang nay iyahang kayagan. Mura naman ni sagi. As in dubok nga sana mura na siya kanang pay-pay na kasi kanon. Mura na gid siya kuan. Mga piang naman iyang mga kuan. So no choice kay no choice kay kuan kanang nay si tawag ani napalit naman niya kay kuan kanang sayang man pud kong ilabay so ato na lang ayom-ayomon ato na lang siya gisahon dayon kay para makuan siya kanang si tawag ani para dili kayo siya baho ba murag medyo baho na gid siyang kuan kayagan pero sa ano lagi sayang so nagkuan panig kalabasa pud ba kay lang kalabasa diri o mo na lang kalabasa murag papaya so dihay liso kay kuan na ra so ako lang ni paspasan kay aron kuan ato ning gapat so ang kuan diri kay kuan man kanang ang ginata ang lubi nila diri kay wala man so ingani ra tong gamiton o kagit lang renta og carrots na siya pwede naman siya diri panitan o pero ato lang panitan kay kuan para madali pa lingar ko tagod. Ganahan mo magtanaw di. Tanawa lang ko ninyo. Ano pugsa. So ano lang siya. Ato ra ko ni paspasan gud kay aron dali ra ta mahuman. Balik oy. Mahuman na lagi ta. So kung ba kay ilang kuan diri no kanang kalabasa ba kay. Kuan di ka ay na ilang mga kalabasa dai kanang pareha sa ato sa Pilipinas nga kanang dagko bitaw. Pero kasagaran ilang mga kalabasa diri nato siya gagmay kaayo. Nga ilang karot diri dali ra kayo makuan, dali ra kayo mukuyos. Mano dayon sa pilar gid ka. Sa ano ra ato ra ko na kuanan gud binuangan. Kamatis o kuan no. Vlogger man di ay. So kuan kanang may sibuyas og ahos so ato sa ning lutuon. Ina na nato gisahon sa unay hana to butan og gata kay kuan man kanang dubok-dubok naman ato ang kuan na mura naman nig kalansay naman ato ang kuan. So muna na nato ang kamatis man. Kato na ako kayon. Kato na ako kayon hanton nga maprito siya ano. Mudon-don siya. Ano siya. Mudon-don naman ato ni inunod ang dubok na crab. Of that one because it's very kuan. You know, the crab you buy is very kuan. Crab is good. You say the kuan, you smell it. Ginoo ko. Eating time, why you like that is there? Eating time, this one, why you buy the kuan, the old one? You know, eating time not fair. The taste is there is kuan or there is the. My God. You know, you're not cook. One guy said, please give me that one meat. You can. So you say eating time? Just because maybe there is a aftertaste, there is problem in your stomach later on. You know what is name that one? Lawa. Maybe after we eat this one, we go. My goodness. Well, not clean. How can I clean that one? This one is already clean. They don't eating, they're not eating. I don't know. Okay. You buy this one and then you don't know how to eat? Seriously, I don't know. I don't know how to eat. You smell? Do you know why you say it's like that, man? Have you ever tried this before? I'm not cooking. I don't know how to cook, how to eating that one. How will you live if you don't know how to cook food, Shara? I don't know that one. You don't know, but why you buy? You know. Shunga. You use this coconut milk in India? But India is my hometown is small one. Small one? It's a small one? Not big one. Oh, but you don't know how to cook this. You have a lot of but no, coconut only for fry, then it's given. Ay, ano ba yan? You don't know how to cook using with the coconut milk? Shunga bells. No, only fry, then it's given. My God. You need to also, you need to cook the vegetables like this one or this squash because this, you need to eat that one also, the squash, because it's good for the eyes. Yeah. Carrots and everything. That's why you're almost blind now. The soup. The soup is very delicious. Oh my God. I forget my name. Serious?